So, good day everyone. Now I will be sharing a different side of Dr. Jose Rizal. One that goes beyond his role as a national hero, while he is often remembered for his political struggles and ultimate sacrifice, Rizal was also a gifted writer and artist. His creativity both in literature and in the visual arts became powerful tools to inspire reform, nurture identity, and awaken the Filipino spirit. So, Dr. Jose Rizal is best remembered for his role in the political awakening of the Philippines, but his contributions as a writer and artist are just as significant. Through his novels No Limitangere and El Filibusterismo, he awakened national consciousness and revealed the injustices of Spanish colonial rule. His writings were not created for personal recognition, but to educate, to inspire, and to call reform. With his pen, Rizal gave voice to the struggles of his people and encouraged them to seek change. Beyond literature, Rizal was also gifted as artist. He excelled in drawing, painting, and sculpture, and his works reflected not only his creativity, but also his deep sense of patriotism and sensitivity to human life. So for him, art was a tool to uplift people, strengthen cultural identity, and spark transformation in society. Thank you.